to this one because someone said they have a leak inside the boiler. You already check it. There is water leaking in the boiler. That much water is coming out from the sensor, low pressure sensor. It's keep leaking. So what we need to do, I will empty the system, and then after that we're gonna take the part out and put the new part in. First of all, we have to make it safe, so turn off that. And we're gonna turn off that. Now we're gonna just empty the system. Good thing about the Vaillant is we go there, we can, from there we can empty the system. One of the good thing about the Vaillant, so it's very easy to empty the system from there. It's exactly next to the PRV, so we don't need to touch the PRV, or we don't need to find whatever else to empty the system. We got this much water just coming from the boiler. And the air pressure switch needs to be replaced, definitely. And anything else is, everything is alright. Looks alright. So to do that, so we have to take this off to have access. Now take this part out, and now if you take this part out, you have more access. This is so common. So why this has happened? So the filling loop was open, and then the customer didn't know, and that damaged the low pressure sensor, and because of the low pressure sensor's damage, it start leaking. As you can see, start leaking. So to change the part, what we have to do, there is a click in there. You have to take that clip out, and then take this part out, and then replace it with the other one, with a new one, and then hopefully that are gonna sort out the problem. So I'm gonna add a little more. So we're gonna use this. This is a part number, maybe if you need it. For this boiler Vaillant, they use a different part number. I got another day, the different one was the wrong one. The part number for this is 000020016532, and this is for main, and also they use it for booster bush and glue worm. And the shop said this part is for the glue worm, but they mainly use for the other part as well. So Vaillant, for this Vaillant, they got a glue worm part somehow. I went to the shop, I asked them if they got the part, and they said that the part number, and I told them the part number, and they said this is for the glue worm. But I don't know, or maybe it's so common to use the glue worm part for the boiler, you know, for the Vaillant. So if anyone knows about this stuff, just let me know in the comment. Please subscribe and like the video, so other people they can find out about my channel, and they can use it if they need to use the videos. And there's no good to check your own boiler. It's good all the time. The only gas safe registered engineer allowed to check the boilers, so do not use this for DIY. Water is slowly going out. Now we got the part accessible. Just bear in mind, cover PCB, so we don't want any water going to the PCB and damage the PCB. So water is out. Now we need to plug this. So to do that, it's difficult to do it one-handed. So from there, just put that in behind that and take the clip out like that. It's difficult to do one-handed, but I've done it. So take the clip out and slowly take the part out. That's it. So water coming out. Right. Same part we got. Look at the state of that. We got the new parts. So we're gonna feed that over there. So we're gonna put the tray down, then clean it a little bit. Put this back in there. New one. Put a new one in there. New parts, we're gonna put it in there. Like that. It's gonna fit. So just to make sure it's got the same thing. We got same part, right? This is exactly the same part as you can see. So this is glue worm. The Vaillant is different, and they use a glue worm part for the Vaillant. Look at that. So water is inside. So you can see it's leaking from inside somehow. And this one is the new one. Just gonna go there. Okay. Alright. And now we have this. It's going there. Okay. Right, the part is in place. New part in. The wired in. Okay, and this is not got to place. Okay, alright. Now we're gonna reverse everything back. So we put everything back and the part is fit. As we can see, we got new part in. Screw back everything back. So we're gonna check everything. Everything is alright. Now we're gonna fill the system again to 1.1 bar. We have no more leaking. As you can see, everything back to the normal. New sensor is fitted. No more leaking. That's it. We got only for 1.5 bar. That's it. Turn the light. The hot water is working. Fine. Everything right. Green light means go.